Okay, myself Kalyan. Okay, I am giving technical trainings on Linux and shell scripting, Perl, and Python courses. Okay, I am giving from last more than 2 years. Okay, now we will see the course content about the Linux and shell scripting. Okay, here I will start with the history of Unix, when it was invented, where it was written, and all. Okay, later we will go to about the what's the architecture, main architecture of Linux. What is kernel? What is shell? What is the command utilities? We will discuss. Then file types. We have different types of files. What is a regular file? What is a directory file? What is device file? Okay, what is the difference between directory and regular? How you will make a distinction between whether it's a directory file or regular file? We will see those things. After this, okay, we will more about the file system. Okay, we will have so many directories on Linux file system. So what is the significance of each directory? When it will be used, why it will be used, what is the purpose of the directory? Why can't we use some other directory instead of the directory? We will check those things. Then we will cover some commands like what is the PWD log name, who logged into the system, how to exit from the here, and what are the date commands, how to create the groups we will see, and how to do the power reboot, or what are the different run levels. We have 0 to 6 run levels, 0 for halt, what are the run levels, in which level we can support multi-user or graphics facility. Those things we will see. And by default we will log into the run level 5. Okay, we will have a network connectivity, multi-user support. Then how to create the file, and adding the information to the file. Okay, how to create the empty file, and removing once we created, copying the file to other file, and moving the file. We will see those things. Then creation of directories. Okay, we have to create the directory, how we will create, how to navigate to the directory. After creation, how to remove the directory. Okay, I have to remove the directory recursively. What are those commands we will see. Then okay, we will go to the redirecting output. Okay, if you want to, you are executed some application, some output is there. Okay, we have to capture the output into the one file. How will redirect, how you will read the input from the existing files. These are the reading and writing into the files. We'll see what are the, how to compare the files, like comparison, cmp command, the diff com, how will those commands will see. And searching within the files, like okay, you want to search one file name, how you will search. Shell on sorry, in Linux we have to go through little depth about grep command and find command. Okay, without those things we won't use. So now I am saying example. Okay, we have one script test course. Okay, we have to find the test course data, where it is there. Dot means present directory. Now I am in cd temp directory. Okay. I'm giving the directory name. How will you find and locate any command is there? Okay. Locate the binary. You will see these commands. How to compress and uncompress, zip and unzip, gzip and unzip. These commands you will see. Displaying the files. Okay, we want to display the output, what are the available in the this directory. What are the different options? What is the significance of this file permissions? What is the meaning of first character? What are these permissions? We will see all these things. On how to view the contents in the first few lines or last few lines. Okay, if the process is running, okay, I have to view the recently added logs. Those things we will see using head tile command. Okay, if you are getting more output on the screen, okay, you have to view page by page how you will view the output, more command, we will see those things. Okay, once we created the file, how to give the file permissions, okay, using change mode command, how you it will work, how to change the owner, group, and what is the umask, we will see those things. And in case of this patterns, right, okay, okay, if it is matching, okay, greater than star any character plus at least one character, at least one character needs to be matched. How to match the repetition characters, those things we will see. Grep grep is a global regular expression pattern. Okay, we will focus only one session mainly on grep and find commands, these two commands, because right, these are the frequently used commands. Without using this, okay, we can't work daily basis. Okay, how you will do the cut and paste in Windows, you will do like a control C control V or control X, the same things how we will do in Linux, we will see. How to sort lines, how to sort the lines, sort by fields, these things we'll see. And disk related commands, network related commands, piping, how the pipe command will work. Disk, how many partitions are there, how what are the partitions, whatever the sizes, we'll see. How to run the background job, foreground job, we'll see all these things in BG. And if you running any process with ampersand symbol, okay, it will be the BG, the process name, and it will be a kind of background job. If you are normally running, it will be foreground job. Okay, this information will be displayed on the console. Displayed on the console. Okay, this is about the Linux command. Okay, do you have anything on this queries, commands you want me to add, or these are fine? Generally, these are the most basically used commands.
Hey Kalyan, Bhuman here. So yeah, these are the commands. So can we use like can we also cover the scripting? How to make a bash
Yeah,
scripting
yeah, yeah.
using those
Awesome. Yeah,
commands or any
yeah.
like a examples?
Yeah, this
Okay.
is the basic. Okay,
And
whoever is coming to the Linux background, right? For them, it is mandatory. Okay,
all right.
okay. That's why I made it as a this
Mhm.
7 to 8 sessions for only for the command, because they have to be comfortable. Okay, with the same commands we are using in the shell scripting. So most of the commands we use in shell scripting.
Right.
Okay, they have to be comfortable. If I start directly shell scripting without knowing the command, they can't understand properly. That's why I'm starting with the commands. Okay, if
Right.
you are comfortable with the command, then okay, we can go for the shell scripting directly. Okay, okay. For
Right.
starting, yeah,
Hmm. Yeah, my question is like, please guide me also like how to install, in the Windows machine this Linux.
yeah. I
Like,
will.
do we install VMware or something? Because right now I have like sorry, a Windows machine with me.
Yeah, I will.
So,
Sure, I will guide you. Okay. Then once
okay,
we cover the commands, we will check the VA Okay, what the problem from the Windows background, right? Okay, VA initially we will feel little difficult because we don't know how to write there, insert, delete the text or those things, because we will focus 2 sessions only on the VA commands. What are the most, how to write, how to navigate to the pages. Here we are doing, okay, control page up, page down, okay, we are doing in the same thing how we will do. Okay, here you are writing some information and navigate into the next line or next page you are going. Okay, the same thing, how what are the operations we will do in, how to do in VI we will check. And we are checking for the words, control F. Okay, the same thing, how you will fetch, how you will replace the word, how you will delete the specific word, delete the few lines, and copy few lines and copy paste or remove few lines and copy into the multiple buffers. Those commands we will see in the VI. Okay, I kept two sessions only for the VA editor. Okay, this will be used for the whoever working on the Windows and they don't have idea about Linux. Okay, if they are working in Linux, okay, we can skip this session. Okay, this is about the VA editor commands. Now we will come through the shell scripting. Okay, what is shell scripting? Okay, here we learned about the commands, right? Okay, the same things we will write as a one script or one program in a sequence of steps to achieve the result. Okay, shell scripting is nothing but a programming. Okay, how you do the Java or C program, the same way we will do the shell scripting. And what is the importance of the shell scripting? How to write a program, how to make it as a executable. Those things we will see. After that, we will discuss about the different kind of shells created in the shell scripting. These things we'll see. And how to read and write the information, input and output. How to print the message on the console. How to read the variables from the command line, like how you will do system dot read line in there, right, in Java. I think read line, right, function to read the input from the console.
Yeah, there is a read line,
Yeah, read line.
and for output is SOP.
Yeah,
Right.
SOP and read line
Yeah.
instructions are there. Okay. Now, okay, we will go to the
Right. There is a scanner also. Okay.
sorry.
No, I mean, there is a scanner class also.
Okay,
They
okay.
have added in 1.7. Yeah. I think
Oh,
1.6 they have added. Yeah.
okay. I know till Java 5. Okay, later I didn't see. I worked in
Okay.
till 2007 only. Okay, later I didn't work in Java.
Okay.
Okay. What is the variable we will see? How we will define the variables? Like I think for you it is a cakewalk. Like general, okay, we have to relate to the Java words. I will explain. What is the variable? How to define the variable? What is environment variable? How to declare the variables? User defined and the environment variables. How to make the variable as a constant? Okay, this won't be changed entire application. What are the local and global variables? We will see about declaration of variables and usage of the variables. Then coming to the operators, like okay, what are the operators are there? Numeric, logical, assignment, those things we will see, and each operator we can cover in one example. All operators, most of the operators will cover in one example. Later, conditional statements. What about if? How we will write if else statements, if else if, and a kind of case statement. Case statement is nothing but our switch statement in Java. And if else is a similar syntax, but the syntax will be little different. That's it, other than Java. Loops, while loop, repeatedly doing the task, while until for loops. Break and continue. If some condition met, we can to break. Some condition met, we have to skip the execution and continue the remaining execution. Those things we will see in the looping. Okay. These are common. Okay, you also know. Okay, these are the common to the every language, right? Then we will see specific to the shell scripting. Okay. Okay, a lot of file text related commands is there. If file exists, if file is read only, or file having write permission, file is having read permission or not. Those things you will see. String test commands, okay, related to string, whether the string is empty or null, or it is having minimum of this size, okay, it is having size. These things will see. We can update the value. Those things will see. Exit from the script. Sleeping. How to sleep for some time. Okay. Then we will come to the functions. Functions means like okay, how you write the functions in Java similar way. Here write how to take the values from the command line. Okay. How to count like argc arg we will write argument count. What is the values you have provided? How you will get those values in the scripting. Declare the functions and internally okay what is the local variable global variable, how to make the function scope variable limited the scope. Those things we will see. And we will create the okay one like a kind of package thing. Okay, you declared all the functions in one file and you have to reuse those functions in another file. How you will use the functions, how to get those value variable values. Okay, you declare some constant variables or some environment variables in one file. Okay, those values needs to be use it in this file. How to do those things we will see. And job schedulings like cron job means these jobs has to run periodically. Like you are planned to schedule a job on every Monday night 12 o'clock. How you will do those jobs? These are cron jobs. Okay. A cron job is nothing but a kind of a script. Okay. We will write in cron tab file. Okay. Timings we will mention. Okay. Periodically do at this stage. We will see. Later we will see about the sed command, sed and arc commands, stream editor, arc. Okay, how to pass the files, how to replace the in the entire file. Those things we will see. One second. Sunny, అది టైట్ అయిపోయింది వద్దు వద్దు వేరే తీసుకో. This is about the overview about the course.
Kalyan, do we have like AWK?
Yeah, AWK
Cover?
I will cover basics. AWK said we will cover. Okay, mostly user commands I will explain.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
We are getting
Okay.
some value. Okay, yeah, okay, here, okay, how to filter. Just I am explaining a simple basic thing. Here I am getting, here I have to get only the file names. Okay, for now, by default space and $7. Okay, this is the number of links I think. 9 will give the 5. 9. Okay, it is giving only the file names. Like this, it's like a filtering or parsing using awk command. Okay, this command kind of commands I will explain. Okay, if we have this one, okay, usage only you want to know the usage, only you want to know the file system and used df command. Okay, what we will do is one place how much used $5 I think. Okay, what is the device name? How much it was used? Like this, you will see. Under regular expressions, I will cover cron jobs. Okay, this is important thing because we have to use in its daily job. Okay, these things we are covering more. We will focus on more. Remaining things we will cover and whatever is useful to the writer shell scripting. And I will make sure you will understand the shell scripting. Like if you see any program, you can understand what is going on and you can write the scripts.